Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hey, we're in fall right now, and the business is still going. I still got work because it's fall cleanup. So just picked up this customer 2 days ago. Came to give her a quote, and she agreed with the quote. So I'm gonna go ahead and service her yard today. Today's Monday. I didn't have time to do it on Saturday because I was like already had like a full schedule. But hey, the work's out there, y'all. Okay. So right now we're doing fall maintenance, which consists of leaf and pine needle cleanup. I'm not bagging them, I'm mulching them. All right. So let's go see what we got. All right, here you go. So I'm not gonna so for fall cleanup, I don't edge or string trim. I just mow with the mulching blades, and I mulch the leaves. But I'm gonna go and give her an edge and just string trim since this is the initial service. I'm gonna blow all the leaves out of the flower beds onto the grass and mulch them. Blow all these out. I'm gonna blow them over there. I'm just gonna mulch them. I'll probably blow them like right over there and just mulch them. All right, let's get started. Here's some after pictures. You saw it before, how it looked in the video, but here's the after pictures. Long video short. I mulch in the fall. All right. So as you can see in the after pictures, I mean, it does the work, y'all. All right. I was only idle for an hour and a half. That's $160 right there for an hour and a half, y'all. That's the initial service. Every 2 weeks will be $80. She's happy with it. Yeah, but the leaves are still falling. It's ridiculous. I had her up and take after pictures before she saw leaves on the yard again. So she's not home. She's at work. I'm gonna go send her the after pictures. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, see you on the next video. God bless. Hey, please like and subscribe. Bye.